Can stopping the self-cleaning cycle early on Frigidaire oven cause any damage to the oven?
Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss the potential consequences of stopping the self-cleaning cycle early on a Frigidaire oven. Let's explore the self-cleaning process, why you might want to stop it early, and the potential risks associated with doing so.
What is the self-cleaning process?
The self-cleaning process in a Frigidaire oven is designed to remove built-up food residue and grease. During this cycle, the oven heats up to very high temperatures, around 880 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 470 to 482 degrees Celsius, which turns food particles and grease into ash. This ash can then be easily wiped away once the cycle is complete and the oven has cooled down.
Why would you want to stop the self-cleaning cycle early?
There might be a few reasons for wanting to stop the self-cleaning cycle early. 1. Unexpected events or emergencies. You might need to leave your home suddenly or attend to an urgent matter. 2. Strong odors or excessive smoke. Sometimes, the self-cleaning cycle can produce strong odors or smoke, which could be bothersome. 3. Time constraints. The self-cleaning cycle can take several hours, and you might not have enough time to complete the full cycle.
Can stopping the self-cleaning cycle early damage your oven?
In general, stopping the self-cleaning cycle early should not cause any significant damage to your Frigidaire oven. However, there are a few potential issues to be aware of. 1. Incomplete cleaning. Stopping the cycle early means that the cleaning process may not be thorough, leaving some residue behind. 2. Safety features. Frigidaire ovens have a safety feature that locks the oven door during the self-cleaning cycle. If you stop the cycle early, the door may remain locked until the oven cools down to a safe temperature. 3. Potential wear and tear. Repeatedly stopping the self-cleaning cycle early could potentially cause wear and tear on the oven's components over time, but this is unlikely to be a significant issue. While stopping the self-cleaning cycle early on a Frigidaire oven shouldn't cause significant damage, it's best to let the cycle complete whenever possible to ensure thorough cleaning and maintain the efficiency of your oven. If you must stop the cycle early, be aware of the potential issues and make sure to follow any necessary safety precautions.